TechTips with Cameron. I'm Cameron. Today we are doing a brief overview of what exactly is NotebookLM.
Tell me more.
So here we are inside of a NotebookLM. And this is a notebook all about NotebookLM. How meta! First, sources. Inside of NotebookLM, you can create your notebook based on your sources. So you can upload files. You can find websites or YouTube videos, provided they have a transcript. You can add files from Drive, or you can just copy and paste text over. Let's say you don't have any sources. Well, you can search the web and use fast research to get as many sources as you want. If you're looking for a higher quality notebook on a topic you want to know more about, a deep research is a brilliant way. It will find more academic sources. Notebook does the research, you vet the sources, keep the human in the loop.
Keep the human in the loop.
The higher the quality of the sources, the higher the quality of the output. Garbage in, garbage out. The next thing to know about is the chat. The chat is where you can interact with your sources. And through interactions, you can really build your knowledge about your notebook subject. You can save these chats by clicking Save to Note. That will put them over here into your studio. The other thing to know about the chat is you can customize it. You have the choice to make it a learning guide, so it doesn't give you answers. It actually just goes back and forth with you, helping you learn. You can customize it, and you can choose how long you want your responses. The studio has a variety of features, and this is where we can create content that we can either give to our students by downloading and sharing it, or if we teach grade 7 and up with a permission form, we can have students build their own notebooks and create their own studio content.
I like it like that.
Well, the first is an audio overview, which is an AI-generated podcast that you can make interactable. Remember, each one that has a pencil allows you to customize the output that you're getting. Do you want it deeper, longer? Do you want a different language? Do you want a specific focus? You can choose all of those things for audio and for a video overview. You can even choose how you want the images to look. You can create a mind map. You can also create a variety of reports. Again, customizable in which language you like. We can create flashcards and quizzes. Brilliant if you're trying to study for something. Again, customizable, but not changing the language. You can build beautiful infographics and slide decks, customizable, different languages, and for slide decks, you can choose if you want it detailed or if you want it presenter. There's also this new feature, data tables, that allows you to take the information that is inside of your sources and pull it up in a beautiful table. Your studio outputs are found over here on the right. So this is where you can view the different things you've created. So here's a video overview.
Today we're going to dive into a really powerful AI tool that's designed to be a teacher's new partner in the classroom.
Perfect. 6 minutes and 25 seconds. If I like that, I can download it onto my computer and share it out with my students. It also allows you to create a mind map. So we can see it breaks down NotebookLM, gives us the ideas of source grounding, why is this important, and actually pulls up what you're learning about right here in the chat so you can see what is that specific piece about. You can see here it is, it's building that out for us, teaching us all about source grounding is all about that walled garden. What we put in, it's going to pull information from that. Heading back to the studio, we can see there's an interactive podcast, meaning I can talk back and forth with that podcast, interacting to dive deeper about things I don't understand. It also creates beautiful slideshows, infographics as well. We can see this is the big infographic that I created. Last thing to know about, inside of settings, you can choose the output language. And when it comes to sharing, this is where we need to know what is what. We can only add people or groups individually. You can't just make it anyone with the link can view. Okay, so when we're sharing out our notebooks, they have to stay within Halton, and you have to individually type in the names of the people with whom you're sharing. So you either have to create a contact group or just type in everybody's name. When you've chosen who to share it with, those people will have access to interact with your sources as well as interact with the things you've created inside of the studio. That's about it for NotebookLM. If there's more you want to know, there's a whole series on specific features and how you can use them on the channel. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.